Go give mommy bisou. Go. Mwah. Stella, give mommy bisou.
Au revoir, mamie.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Au revoir, au revoir.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
That was us leaving mama. Was short stay, but we gotta go. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. Was it somebody enter?
Yeah, I'm about to go. Try to the same.
What did he do? You see what he
You
did?
press the button. Let me try.
You guys, that was us leaving mama. How are you guys doing? We're trying to head to this event. So we originally came here so we could attend my brother-in-law's surprise birthday party, but I guess it's no longer a surprise because we were told this morning that he found out. So I don't think he know who will be there, so I don't think he's expecting us, and he's expecting all the rest of the family that will be showing up. But yeah, that's why we're in this side of France for the weekend, so we made it a weekend well spent. So now that you know what we're gonna do today, so we're heading to that event. We don't want to be late, so we're trying to hustle to to go and be there in time. So this is the kids. Say hello, guys.
Wagwan.
Sarah, say wagwan. Say good morning. Sarah, say good morning, faves.
Wagwan.
So what happened just now? Why you had to tell you 2 times, girl? You okay?
Okay.
Say yes, mama.
Yes, mama.
You ready to go see Tata and Tonton?
Yeah.
Tyler, you ready to see Tata and Tonton?
Yes.
You were going to see Tata and Tonton, okay?
Okay.
And eat lots of food, right?
Yeah.
Anyway, you guys, have a good day. Enjoy the bits and pieces that we have to show you today. Don't know if it will be long or short, but we have to head back home tonight, this evening. So after we leave that party in a few hours, we're heading straight to Nice. So have a good day. Stick and stay, catch up and keep up with this, and we'll see you guys in a bit, whenever that will be. So I'm gonna let babe say hello to you guys real quick, and then we'll see you guys later. Say hello.
Hi. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. We're in a rush because we always like to be on the rush.
We like to be on the rush, or we like to be on time? Which one?
We like to be on time, but we're on the rush.
He's too funny. See you guys later. So this is the setting for the moment for the birthday boy, and most people has already arrived. Food and more food, and I'm looking forward to tasting as much of this as possible. And I bet this is just the beginning, honey child. Yes, food. Sarah, no, put that down. You're gonna fall. Sarah, no, you're going to fall. 1 foot, right? 1 foot. Push, push, push. Good job. Push, push, push. Right. Okay, okay. Go and put it. No, take it up. Take it up. Take it up. and put it back up there. Go on, up there. I said Coke and something without fizz for Sarah. And it's not iced tea. Yummy? And a bird. Again. Birthday boy. Right here. Everybody's eating and chatting and Wait. Ah? What? C'est qui? Siblings and dad. This is Babe's sister right here, Adeline. You guys saw her yesterday. That's Babe's dad, if you guys didn't know her. And that's the husband. Look at this little one, right in front of it.
Avant, stratégiquement, janvier et septembre, c'était des gros moment. Il y a plus de
L'année dernière, janvier, j'étais sur la
Tyler is in the sand.
Après, nous, on n'y fait pas chier.
What are you eating? What are you eating? Sarah eating fruit. Everybody eating fruit at the moment. Fruit is a thing right now. And then you have all of them playing this French game called pétanque. So the aim of pétanque is to take your ball and to try to reach the closest to the smallest ball. So there's different sets of pétanque going on. You have one group here and then you have another group down there. This is the birthday boy, which is my brother-in-law up here. This is Banana. Come, no. Eat your fruits, come. No, eat. Eat the apple and the banana and the pineapple. Tyler is over there watching phone and eating crepe. Oh my gosh, everybody minding their own business. But I am not gonna stay here all day because I have to go home to do my homework. I haven't got to do my homework all weekend, so I have to go home to do work. So yeah, we're out here though, enjoying the evening. Ah, il aime les framboises comme Sarah. Moi, j'ai acheté 2 paquets chaque semaine à la supermarché pour elle. Elle mange tout.
Une fois, on allait au marché avec Noah. Il voulait des framboises. Je lui ai donné et dans la poussette comme ça. Je regarde. Ah, il prend rien.
Sarah. Sarah, come. Framboises et...
Myrtille, mûre. Non, pareil.
Les fraises. Elle aime les fraises aussi.
Les fruits rouges.
Oh là là. Oh. Sarah, come. See Noam here. Play with Noam.
I love la Noam.
Sarah, put down your clothes. Look at your clothes. Look at your dress. Put down your dress. Okay, take up the ball now. This is a pétanque for kids. Come eat a pineapple, Sarah. Sarah and Grandpa riding bike. Ride, Sarah, ride. You finish? You finish? She abandoned Grandpa. You finish already? Maximum.
Bon alors maintenant, alors nous, tu veux les mêmes boules que celle-là, d'accord?
You guys, I just ate one of these. Look at my cup.
Ah, lui,
Empty,
chocolat?
it is so good. Biscuits
c'est
and
chocolat.
cream and another one.
Tu vas apporter le gâteau, c'est pour ta part de ligne, c'est son anniversaire.
Papa.
Par contre, là, faut pas bouger la table, sinon la table elle tombe. Oh putain. Allez. Parce que c'est l'anniversaire de Tata demain. Sébastien. Ouais, mais moi.
Ah, il s'est repris. Il s'est repris.
Attends, on a plus le souffle qu'on avait avant.
You guys, look at me pulling out my hair on my route home. I cut what I can cut and pulling out what I can pull out. We're at the gas station. You guys see babe? Can we see him? Baby's back there putting gas in the car because there's a gas shortage in France. Yes, there's a gas shortage everywhere, but there's a big strike happening in France where the gas station workers are striking and not putting gas in the stations. So there's lots of stations that have no gas. So anywhere you see the gas and you can get it, you better take it, honey child, or else you will be getting no gas at all. And the gas prices are 2 times, 3 times what it used to be. So we finally find one that have gas, different from where we're coming from, because we're coming from no gas at all. So we find one as we hit the highway, so we take it. How did you do? You full up?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's limited, but I didn't have to reach the limit.
Ah, okay. How much limit? 30?
Yeah, I watched 20 something.
Okay, and the limit each person that you can only take 30 euros worth of gas. So whatever your 30 euro can give you, your tank, that is what you're going to get. So the kids are taking a nap. Thank God they're napping. My hair is getting pulled out so that when I reach home, I can wash it and do my homework and get into routine for tomorrow morning, school and work for everybody. So party was good, little family get together was good, and now we're on our way home, right honey? See you guys at home. this is me coming on to end the vlog all by myself, lonesome self with my hair look a hot mess. I didn't get to wash it, but such is life. It is now midnight. I couldn't tell the last time I go to bed this late, but it's the only weekend that I have like this, because this weekend was planned long before I started school, so we had to execute as planned. Got home, got some homework done, and I am about to head to bed while everybody else is in bed. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog of the bits and pieces of our lives that we had to show you guys. Tomorrow will be a long day, but I don't know what it holds, so I'll be definitely sharing that along with you guys. So give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fan bell, catch up and keep up, and of course I'll see you guys tomorrow.